Working as a filmmaker means to have a busy life and often hectic schedule. Time is short and we must be efficient in order to reach our goals. That's why it's important to outsource or automate time-consuming tasks like cleaning our home and office. That's why today we will be having a closer look at the S1 Pro vacuum cleaning robot by manufacturer eufy. This powerful device is a high-end cleaning robot that comes with a revolutionary floor washing system, the 3D matrix eye obstacle avoidance, as well as with a 10-in-1 uniclean station. We will check how this device makes our lives as filmmakers easier. The eufy S1 Pro comes in a distinctive design without compromise. It looks truly elegant and futuristic and adds a premium look to the room. The eufy S1 Pro itself, as well as its charging and cleaning station, come in a slim and mainly black and dark silver design. It blends in well with the different styles and furniture and is really appealing to the eye. The eufy S1 Pro comes with an already installed high-performance filter, and the dust filter inside the cleaning and charging station are already in place. The only steps you need to take is to attach the side brushes, install the hard floor cleaner container, fill up the water tank, and not to forget to set the S1 Pro's button to eye, so it can start working. We advise to also install the eufy app and connect the S1 Pro through the app for advanced features. To start using the device, simply charge it up through the home station and give the command to start cleaning, preferably through the app. At first sight, it's clear that the eufy S1 Pro is a high-end device because while cleaning, it constantly cleans its internal mop through the Always Clean mop technology. This ensures a faster and extra clean result, and the device does not spread any dirt around. The eufy S1 Pro comes with 8000 PA potent suction, a 1 kg downward pressure and an industry-leading 290 mm mop length, enabling it to really perform a deep cleaning. The eufy S1 Pro also comes with eco-cleaning ozone for up to 99.99% sterilization, reducing germs drastically while at the same time it is safe to use. The ozone is used to clean the floor and also the device itself. The 12 mm auto retraction of the S1 Pro enables it to lift the mop up to 12 mm when cleaning carpet to ensure the carpet stays dry and clean. The 3D matrix eye obstacle avoidance enables the device to detect obstacles quicker and to maneuver around them more safely. The active binocular infrared cameras and the RGB camera enable the S1 Pro to perceive 300,000 voxels at once. The device even creates 3D models of the objects in its way to avoid bumping into any object. It can even avoid moving objects. With the help of the eufy app and the True Course TM mapping technology, the S1 Pro is even able to create a detailed map of your house or office. This helps the device to calculate the most efficient and smart navigation route and enables the S1 Pro to even clean during nighttime. The eufy app also lets you choose different cleaning models like vacuum only or mop and vacuum, and also lets you choose the cleaning intensity. The 10-in-1 uniclean station supports the execution of the S1 Pro's powerful functions. The home station comes with auto emptying of dirts, auto washing and auto dry heating of the device, as well as with automatic wastewater collection, auto detergent dispensing and antibacterial dust bag. The eufy S1 Pro is truly a high-end device. It cleans extraordinarily well, comes with the most innovative features and delivers the best cleaning and performance results that we have experienced. It can truly automatically keep your home and office always clean. Click on the link in the description to learn more about it now.